Foundation. We're a non-profit supported by a conglomerate that is in infrastructure and media and telco. And we were set up to support people who did not have access to resources. And we chose to focus on science and technology ideas that needed to be taken from idea to reality. IdeaSpace itself is a startup, and that I think the excitement of doing startup work is you're crafting, creating, you're molding the organization, the program, in order to support people who are also crafting, drafting, creating their own products. Before, when we didn't have SolidWorks, our startups would have to engage with a freelancer and have the freelancer do the simulation, do the drawings and all, and then it goes back to the startup founder. Well, I was really thankful about SurePro because in the Philippines, I guess it's not every day that there's an accelerator or an incubator. So we were a new concept. And SurePro having so many large customers, and we were just one small foundation there in the corner that really came knocking on your door. You came and entertained us, and we felt that was very nice of SurePro. We saw in SurePro even from the founders themselves. So first we met the salespeople, and later on we met Anthony, who's the owner of the company, and later on he introduced Tina. And both of Anthony and Tina were very supportive. They gave us a time of the day. The whole program is holistic. We look at helping them, supporting them with building the technology, but we also help build a company. NYFTI is, I would say, they call me the mother hen of the program because maybe it's just the way I also work with the startups. But then maybe if you look at it, we're an incubator, so I'm like a mother hen and they're my chicks. So NYFTI is probably one of my strongest chicks born in a brood. With NYFTI, we were really surprised that they were able to build one. Therefore, it really shows the design skills of Inco in crafting the design. He was also very adept with SolidWorks when he joined us.
We actually make handmade bicycles here in the shop. So how we got started was Inco had a personal project of folding bikes, and I knew about it. We entered a business incubation competition through a cardboard cutout of the drawing that he did in SolidWorks. And we eventually won and got the seed fund to start a company. Love SolidWorks is because like overnight we can iterate in how many designs, right? You would make 5-10 designs overnight, and just because it's so easy to change a few things on a design, it reflects in the model to the drawings. So it's very easy for us to create so many different bike designs. Once Inco is done with the drawings, he gives it to Miguel. Miguel has a reference now of what to use, what to measure, so it makes his job also a lot easier.
Very easy, as a matter of fact. SolidWorks actually is a very essential part in what we do. It saves you a lot of time, a lot of hassles.
For me, well, so far it's the fastest to do using SolidWorks. If I convert it using other software, it's gonna take time. The thing is that what I discovered in designing using SolidWorks is not once you finish doing the model, that's it. No. Once you're finished doing the model, you're now trying to convert this to 2D using drawing file. Then once you put in all the dimensions, you'd see some errors or design flaws. When you go back to your model, change a few things, automatically your drawing changes. So that's the associativity of the SolidWorks. So in our case, that's our innovation, not just the bike, but also the process and how our minds, trying to be resourceful and doing things in a different way. Now, SolidWorks is really designed for companies like us. It's perfect for us. Even if we grow big, I think it's still the best one. And probably will be still going to use that.
Without SolidWorks, the work would be slower. The work would be much, I would say, maybe 100 times more difficult without SolidWorks.
From scratch, we can weld the whole bike one day, and then after that we send it off to paint, which takes about a week. When we get it back from paint, we assemble the bike in about half a day, and then actually the whole time the bike is here with us is about 2 or 3 days. Like, most of the time it's out for paint.